Innovative volunteerism is a mindset change over all of us. You leverage on our God-given talent and read all our skill to tell.
My name is Isaac Jamhachi, an innovative volunteerism actor from Uganda. I'm so grateful through a Bafosa innovative volunteerism, whereby I have learned the skill of turning waste into opportunities. So far my skills have been retooled to turn waste into briquettes and biofertilizers, and here are the briquettes that we have made, and we are so grateful for the structural guidance and skilling we have gained from the Bafosa innovative volunteerism. We thank you so much.
My name is Gonza Milton, an innovative volunteerism actor from Uganda. I'm very grateful to Bafosa innovative volunteerism that has given me a skill of making briquettes out of the waste which is in the community, where we have turned a problem to an opportunity by making these briquettes, because they have reduced all the wastes in the community which has been bringing diseases to people. And more so, I'm very grateful to this, that it will help me even in the future, even on my earnings. I'm so grateful to this skill. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Maureen. I use briquettes. As you can see here on my stove, briquettes are so clean. They do not smoke. They do not dirty my saucepans. Easy to use, easy to handle, easy to keep as compared to charcoal, the non-brittle. They do not break. Briquettes are cheap as compared to charcoal. How? Because on a weekly basis I would use charcoal of about 10,000, but with briquettes I use something like 2 kilograms a week, because I light one stove and it's enough for me to cook everything I want to cook in a day. Yes, I'm very willing to shift from using charcoal to briquettes, because they're cheaper and clean.
Yeah, so today we are at Uncle Cosmas's place. Uncle Cosmas, please speak to us.
Hello Isaac.
Hi.
Hello people there. I am Cosmas. I operate a chapati business and I use briquettes for baking my chapati. Why briquettes? Briquettes are smokeless and they are highly flammable. As you see here, they are very flammable and they last than the charcoal I used to use before. Another reason why I asked why I use briquettes, they are cost effective. In that before Isaac introduced me to briquettes, I used to spend a lot on charcoal. For example, in a day I would spend around 20,000. But when I began using the briquettes, I now spend around 10 to 12,000 a day. And indeed, it has helped my business grow, and I get more profit than I used to get before. Another thing about the briquettes, they are not. They do not stain. They are stainless. They do not stain the saucepans we use. My equipment, as you see, I am cooking, and my saucepan is very clean. Other than when I used to use the charcoal, that used to stain my saucepans. I would like to encourage other people to get involved in using briquettes so that we save energy.
He's going to share with us his experience with using the briquettes. Yeah, so we are happy to meet you, sir, and please talk to us.
Yeah, I'm so happy to meet you people, and I'm so happy why you bring for us briquettes. The briquettes are very good for us because actually we prefer them more than charcoal. Reason being, one of them is efficient. When you are cooking, it takes long, so it takes some time. When you are cooking, it doesn't go very fast. Another point is environmental friendly. It is environmental friendly. whereby it doesn't release a lot of smoke when you are cooking. When you are cooking, it is smoke free and it doesn't create a lot of dirt. Yeah, another point why we prefer briquettes than charcoal is it is cheaper compared to charcoal. The other charcoal is very expensive and this one is cheaper briquettes. That's why we prefer it.
Yeah, so you've mentioned that they are cheap. Like, can you give us maybe a simple comparison how much you would spend on charcoal compared to the briquettes?
Yeah, why actually we prefer this? For example, when we used to buy charcoal before we used to begin using the briquettes, like almost 2 bags in a week. 2 bags in a week, but I'm sure this will use almost one in 2 weeks. 1 in 2 weeks. You see, this is cheap compared to the other one. Moreover, even the other one is more expensive. Expensive. The money is too high. You find a bag is almost like 150.
Yeah.
And this is just cheaper. 50 kg.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm called Buddha. I'm going to talk about briquettes. Someone can ask me what are the briquettes. Briquettes is a product made from waste because it is long lasting. It does not stain at utensils while cooking. It is cheaper than the normal charcoal. It does not light so fast than the normal charcoal. From the time Isaac introduced us briquettes, we no longer buy charcoal. So I encourage you to become our good customers. Thank you so much.
I'm a customer to Isaac. I usually come here. I love these bricks a lot because they do save me a lot of money on charcoal, on firewood, which I usually buy from the market. But once I use these, the 2 of these can make me cook a lot of items in the morning. And I love them for one thing, that they don't smoke the saucepan or the kettle where I'm cooking, and they don't smell, so they keep cook for a long time. So I love them. I can't do without them. I love them because they save me a lot of costs to buy charcoal and firewood.
Let's embrace innovative volunteerism. Away, as he go. Rise up, rise up. You